afternoon, we're going to have a skate and a BMX competition. So we've got a beginner, intermediate, and an advanced, and they'll do different trick competitions depending on the medium. And they can win some skateboards. We've got some full BMX bikes for them to win as well. As you can see, we've got a broad age range back here. We've got little kids who are just learning how to do this stuff, although they're much better than I am even now. And then we've got some people who have been doing this for years and years. So it really runs the gamut.
Today we've got a little fresh event that we like to call Ride Rogers. It was a sweet mashup between Arkansas Arts Academy, Bike NWA, and Parks and Recreation here at the Rogers Activity Center to kind of reinvent this public space, the skate and BMX park. So we had Graham Edwards Art, Arkansas Arts Academy, both come up with a bunch of original pieces that we adhered to the ramps over here with spray paint and some other digital and vinyl techniques, which are really cutting edge and awesome. And then we had the skate and BMX and scooter contingency come out, and our buddies the Vanagons, which you can hear in the background, just all together NWA at its best, man.
This is a collaborative community project between the Arkansas Arts Academy, Runway Group, Bike NWA, and Rogers Parks and Recreation, where we really wanted to take an existing public amenity and breathe some new life into it with some local artists. The Arkansas Arts Academy students put together a really cool timeline kind of showing the progression from surf culture in California back in like the 60s and 70s and how that kind of transformed into skating. So it shows a really interesting progression. It also builds in some features from Rogers as well, like the trains, the downtown skyline.
Bike NWA and Mike Abb came to me and said, hey, we want to do something great for the Rogers Skate Park. And I was like, sure, I've got a class and I'm teaching Illustrator anyway. Let's just see what these kids can come up with. It's experience, right? The next time they get a chance to work on a project that's going to be visible to the public, they understand that process and they are prepared to work on it. I mean, it's setting them up for their careers and introducing them to what career possibilities exist, down to just the person who creates the stencil art or just the person that creates the wave or the silhouette.
We bring different partners together, but it also brings the skating community together, the BMX community together, and we've got a new food truck over here, and Dewey NWA, they're new to the area. They do Cajun Creole cooking. We've got a local band back here, the Vanagons. We've got a local DJ as well. So it's really showcasing what the region has to offer and bringing it all together into one place so where people can enjoy it.
Well, when you look at the equation of what it takes to make something special happen in your community, you're going to need quite a few little portions of that puzzle to come together to make it really happen. So we needed the youth, we needed some athletics, we needed outdoor spaces, public spaces, and we needed the cooperation of the city. And so all those things came together, and I kind of helped work in between to be like kind of the plus symbol, and then this is what it equaled. Feedback's one of those things sometimes you got to take with a grain of salt. But I got to tell you, it's never been so sweet as this project. Everybody's digging it. We haven't heard one thing. That leads us to believe we shouldn't continue on this path. So hopefully 2018 and beyond, we have a lot more projects just like this.